In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Phemex. Now to do this, you actually want to sign into your account, and then on your dashboard, you want to go to this deposit tab up top, and you want to click on it. Now you have four options over here. This one is deposit crypto, so this is going to allow you to deposit your crypto if you already have some crypto on a different wallet, for example, like maybe Coinbase, Binance, Trust Wallet, Phantom, whatever, and you can go ahead and use this to actually deposit your crypto. But if you don't have crypto assets, of course, you're going to have to deposit your money on here. Now, if you use the credit or debit card or one-click buys over here, this is not going to deposit money on here, but rather it's going to allow you to directly buy that specific crypto you want to purchase. So if you want to do this, you don't even have to deposit money, you can just directly buy crypto. However, if you want to deposit actual funds, so fiat, you could just go over here and click on fiat deposit over here. So it says over here, deposit your funds via bank transfer to then buy crypto. I'm going to click on this right now. It's going to pop up like that, and as you can see over here, you can see supported are SEPA or SEPA, you have SWIFT, and then some other things here as well, okay? Depending on your region. Now click on fiat deposit, go ahead and type in the amount, and then of course the currency. So I'm going to go with USD, and I'm going to type in, for example, 100 euros, or not euros, but USD, so 100 bucks. In here, you can select payment method, which is going to be wire transfer. You also have to read their terms of use and the privacy policy and stuff like that. And if you do agree with it, click on confirm over here. And then you want to click on this deposit button. And of course, you're going to have to verify your account. So just click on verify now. You're going to have to verify your identity with the ID. So either passport, ID card, driver's license, or residence card. And whenever you do this, whenever your account gets verified, you'll be able to come back here and then of course select how much you want, and you'll be able to get a wire transfer. You'll essentially get the details where you want to send the money via wire transfer, and that's all you have to do. So that's how to deposit money in Phemex. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.